Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and learning so much. But wait. First subscribe my channel and like my videos. Let's come on today's lesson. Letter O. Oh. But do you know? Letter O sounds oh. It's so much fun. But this letter is so funny. O is a grass letter. But why? Because it's written in two middle lines. Oh yes. Now it's time for story. Now it's dark. The lights go on. Oh. The lights go on. Time for bed. The lights go off. Oh. The lights go off. Oh. Hoo. It's so much fun. Do you know what we will learn now? Animals from letter O. O, octopus. Jumping. O, ostrich. Running. Oh, ox. Yeah, it's very strong. Oh. Oh, oyster. Beautiful pearl. Now it's time for words from letter O. Oh, orange. Yummy, tasty. Oh, onion. Tears. Oh, omelette. Yummy. Oh, oval. Like a egg. Oh, one. I am the only one. On. Turn on the light. Oh yes. Now it's your turn. Tell me some words from letter O. Thanks for watching my videos. I learned so much. I hope you enjoy it. So please subscribe me. Like, share, comment. See you later. Goodbye, friends.